So this is a tutorial on how to do a round off back handspring. First, you're going to want to start with stretching. First, do a hip stretch and then push back and straighten your leg. Then when you're done on this leg, be sure to do the same thing on the other leg. Then go into a seal stretch. This stretches your lower back. Then go into a cat stretch, and this stretches your shoulders. Then, if you want an even better stretch for your back, go into a bridge. And then if you can, kick your legs over. Before we start, please be sure to watch my other tutorials to learn how to do a back handspring. So now we're going to learn how to do a round off, and in order to do that, you need to do a cartwheel. So push your legs up, and then try to push them up just a little more. And then try kicking your legs all the way over. Practice this over and over so you get the hang of it. So now moving on to the round off, instead of landing with 1 foot at a time, try to land with 2 feet. Now, run into it just a little bit, add more power, and add a jump at the end. Now for this trick, you will be running into it, so practice running into your round off. So now we're going to learn the round off back handspring. First do a round off, then instead of connecting it, stop, and do your back handspring. Be sure to watch my other video to learn how to do a back handspring. Try this step a couple times before you connect the two together. Now, add it all together. Be sure to run into this trick and add a lot of power. Now I'm going to play it in slow motion so you get a better view of what it's supposed to look like. And then you got it. That's how you do a round off back handspring.